Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change EV routing options on your XPeng vehicle. So I am on the XPeng P7 Plus Performance. Now what you guys want to do here is you want to go into the settings of your navigation. So you need to open up your navigation. I do that by pressing the home app. We're going to click on the gear icon, and here you should see your EV routing options. Now the first slider is whenever you arrive at a charging stop. So if you're having a long road trip ahead of you, then you can select um, the battery level, which will be the lowest when arriving at a charging station. So if, let's say, you want to have some percentage left, you can keep it at 20, so that whenever you arrive you have 20, then you wait to charge to 80, and then uh, the lowest battery level when arriving at the end of the route you will have 35%. And here, of course, that's a minimum, so you can also have more, but 40% here will be the minimum. And that's how you guys can set up your EV routing options. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.